That too corny? Well, I love corn.
You probably put the corn in your butt.
What the
Hey,
fuck?
hey,
Some
hey, hey.
butter on
No,
there.
no,
Yeah,
no,
I
dude.
bet you butter it before you put it in your butt.
That's not how you talk to chicks. They're gonna run away, dude. You have to be smooth. You have to be a little.
Are you in a fucking windstorm right now? Like, what is happening?
Is there a tornado at your location?
Are you sure? Are you good? Are you gonna get killed by a tornado?
No, no. That's not mine. I'm mad
Yeah,
right now.
Yeah, that's Remus. Remus sounds like he's in the heart of the tornado. How's it looking, Remus? In that tornado right now.
Is there a cow outside your window?
Oh no, the tornado's taking him.
What you doing?
The tornado's taking him. I can't make him out any longer.
You want to mess with people, don't you?
Oh dang, the tornado is getting crazier.
Santa must have arrived early this year, because you are first on my Christmas list.
What
Yeah,
the fuck?
crazy.
Damn, that's wicked.
You gonna be like Santa and empty your sack?
Yeah.
Hell no. What the fuck?
You said it dirty, dude.
I'm scared now.
You
You're
should.
gonna empty your shack on everyone?
Oh yeah, Santa.
It's okay, dude. I'm with you. It's all right. Chicks get scared with you. I'm not scared with you. I'm with your side, dude.
Oh no, the tornado.
Oh god.
The tornado.
Sounds like a big
I don't
one.
even like you either, but
It sounds like a big one. It sounds big.
Oh god.
That tornado
Oh,
sounds
God.
wicked.
It's okay whenever you need.
Oh no, child.
It's Jurassic Park.